Hey, what's up guys? I'm Sunny Lee and today I'm very much excited again to unbox the part 2 of my Signet haul. This is the Filson Sportsman Utility Bag. There seems to be just 3 staples now, thank goodness. And here is the Filson bag. Here are the different compartments. This is the main compartment. So here is the Filson insignia. Based in Seattle, we have the shoulder strap here, which attaches over here. Everything feels so solid. This buckle, this shoulder strap is made with really high quality leather, dark brown. The zippers are also really stiff. I think it's a bit stiffer than I would like or what I'm used to. I think it would be a bit difficult simply opening and closing like really quick. Fortunately, you know, we have these side pockets right under the zipper pocket over here. There is a easy access pocket on both sides. You can put your quick access stuff on these sides as well as this front pocket over here as well. It's got a ton of storage in front over here. One big pocket and 3 smaller pockets. Overall, really great storage capacity, I think, and I can definitely manage with this like maybe over a weekend. If you see inside, there are also some detachable dividers here in case, you know, you want to put shirts here and something else in the middle and something else here, but you can also remove them easily. Pretty happy with this bag. The canvas feels very, very solid and heavy. It's also 2 layers actually. There's an inside, there's a lining, and there's a shell. And yeah, I definitely think this can last like decades, honestly. This thing isn't going anywhere, so if you buy a Filson bag, expect it to last, guys. This thing is built like a tank. I guess finer details here. We've got this tab at the end of the zipper, as well as some Filson insignia on the zipper. Pretty nice, and it's got this pull leather string here. So this pull tab thing and this leather thing work together actually, so you can easily like, okay, so it gets caught, you see that? So it's not the smoothest operation. You definitely have to learn it in a way. These are the type of bags that, you know, when they get older they sort of get better, like they grow a patina, and I'm pretty sure maybe some parts like get smoother once you've broken them in maybe. I got this Sportsman Utility Bag from Filson at 24,396 Philippine pesos. I got it for 30 off after that, so it's a huge steal at that point to have a bag that will last, even outlast me, to be honest. So really happy with my purchase. So that's it for today for the unboxing and first impressions of the Filson Sportsman Utility Bag. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Once again, this was your Filipino Chinese dapper guy, Sunny Lee, and thanks for watching.